What is this encaging me? I don't know. How'd you get to be so beautiful, little monkey? You're really determined. I think you took after me that way. Come on.
You can do it.
You make me laugh. Yep, that's the hand. There goes the feet.
I think she's high-centered.
You mean like a car that's stuck in the snow?
Exactly.
Did you need me to help her? Okay. I don't think I can. Ooh. Here. There we go. Oh, you're gonna go after the camera, huh? Do you want the camera? It's nice and shiny and silver. I swear to God, she acts like something out of a cartoon. Like, I never would have thought this was real.